In this course, we are going to learn how to visualize data to discover trends and patterns to make the data more useful for business decision makers. You're going to learn how to do this using Tableau and Jupyter Notebook. At the end of this course, you will be able to do the following: create various ways to visualize data using Tableau and Python, explain and analyze the visualized data, and create dashboards that tell stories that are useful for your business. I'm Ruben Canlas Jr. I'm a teacher and a software developer with a Master of Science in Information Technology and an MBA. Let's jump right in.